Namaskaram to all of you. Thank you for coming and blessing my Ashwin. It's I don't know how to express my happiness when he sings. More than me, we have been rehearsing for some little time, and more than me, the musicians have been enjoying sitting with him and playing with him. Thank you so much for this, all these stalwart musicians. He is sitting with the lion of Mridangam, a tiger of Tabla, and I don't know. All these people are so great in their own field, and even I am scared to sit with them and sing sometimes. But Ashwin is just like, I don't mind whatever you play. I am the king. So he's so good, and he's going to sing a Charukeshi Kriti. It's also Telugu. I just like what Damraju told, what he couldn't do, he is putting on the children. But I learned a lot in India when I was in India, and I couldn't push so many things to the kids here because they all are busy. As even this Ashwini is busy with chairs, so many things. It's very difficult to get him always. But when a program comes like this, I like to put whatever I can into their head. Math is a big thing in music. Math is if you are good in math, you will be good in music also. Ashwin is so good in math. That's why he is so good in music too. You will enjoy this, the next composition, what he's going to sing, so you know how good he is in math.
Thank you, Babu Garu. So let me introduce Babu Garu.